Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can turn on the heating mirrors for this VW Touareg, the first generation. So I looked to see if there is a button that can turn on or off the heating mirrors, but I couldn't find one. So let's see. First I'm going to start the engine. Open the mirrors over here. So I looked in the car to see if there is a button, and I found the button, this one over here, that turns on the heating steering wheel. There is the back window and the front window heating system, but I couldn't find one. So what I did, I obviously looked for a video on YouTube and I found something, and I thought to myself, let's do a video and show you how it's done. So if you can see over here, this is the button that controls the mirrors. So if I'm leaving on the over here in the middle, the heating system turns on, but I believe it turns on when there is a certain temperature, let's say below 4 degrees. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.